Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install Instagram on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store app, which is this blue icon. First, you will land on this page. Now click on this search field and type Instagram. Click on Instagram from the top. And this is the official Instagram app. Click on this little download icon next to it. An easy way to distinguish between the official Instagram app on the Play Store is by seeing the provider, which is Instagram Inc., and also the rating. As you see, this app got 29 million votes or ratings. So this is definitely the official Instagram app. Now the download or the Instagram download is current. Once the download is completed, click on this open button. And this is the Instagram app on iPhone. This is how to install Instagram on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.